In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix YouTube app not opening on Smart TV. If your YouTube app is freezing, stuck on loading, or won't open at all, follow along and we will work through reliable fixes in order, keeping things simple and safe. First, perform a power cycle, sometimes called a cold boot while your TV is still on. Unplug it from the wall outlet. Wait for about 1 to 2 minutes to let any residual power fully drain. If your TV has a physical power button, press and hold it for 30 seconds while it's unplugged. This helps clear temporary glitches stored in memory. Then plug the TV back in and turn it on. Try opening YouTube again. This alone often restores normal behavior after a minor system hiccup. If the issue persists, clear the YouTube app's cache and data. Open your TV settings, go to the Apps section, find YouTube and select Clear Cache first. This removes temporary files that can cause loading problems. If that doesn't help, choose Clear Data. Clearing data resets the app to its default state, which can resolve deeper corruption. Just be aware it may sign you out, so you'll need to log back in when you reopen the app. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure your TV shows as connected in the network settings and verify your Wi-Fi or Ethernet is stable. If possible, test another app or device on the same network to confirm the connection is working. If speeds are low or the signal is weak, move the TV or router closer, minimize interference from other devices. Or switch to a wired connection if your television supports it. A stable connection is essential for the YouTube app to load properly. After confirming your network is fine, update your TV's firmware. Go to Settings, then Support or About, and choose Software Update. Install any available updates and allow the TV to restart if prompted. Updates often include performance improvements and app compatibility fixes that directly address issues like apps not opening. Keep the TV powered during this process and avoid pressing buttons until it completes. For persistent issues, uninstall the YouTube app, restart the TV, and then reinstall YouTube from your TV's App Store. Uninstalling removes damaged files, the restart clears anything lingering in memory, and a fresh install gives you the latest app build. Open the app afterward and sign back in if needed. That's it. Thanks for watching.